another one down. It just gets easier and easier.
Going up?
No, down.
That's cool. I'll ride down with you.
What?
Really? I saw that. Like I was gonna try to steal your wallet.
So what? It's my right. Ew, get off me.
Hello? Hello? It's dead. No service? Well, we're gonna be here a while. That's cool because I needed a break anyway.
A break from what? Robbing random offices?
Volunteer work, actually.
Oh.
Just finished up the prayer meeting, on the way to the shelter now. God, I hope they fix this soon.
Prayer meeting? You?
So you're judging me because of how I'm dressed?
Damn right.
If that's true, then no reason to state what your dress implies.
You know, you're lucky I'm in a nice mood tonight.
This is nice.
Normally you'd be getting so much hell. But, you know, I just finished some business and I'm gonna cut you a break.
Thanks.
You know, now that I'm thinking about it, maybe, you and I could, you know, conduct a little business. Hmm?
Oh, no thanks. I'm good.
Really? Too good for this?
You know, it's never too late for you to come back.
Back where?
Forgiveness has no time limits.
Not a chance in hell.
Oh, thank God.
God, that was awkward.
You can always press the button and come back up.
Always so hopeful. It's better to rain to hell, or so they say. You could always stay down here for a spell. I could be kind of a demon if you cast my meaning.
See you later.